I traveled a couple thousand miles from the north of equator to the south to see this beautiful Inca ruin in Peru. Deep right above the secret mountain, it is magnificent hidden city of Machu Picchu. And this episode will help you guide to find the easy way to get to Machu Picchu step by step. Hello y'all, welcome. Just flew in from Dallas last night and spent the night. So we get here close to midnight, actually a little after midnight, so decided to spend the night in Lima Airport Hotel. Just across the street from airport over there. Oh, it's time for the shuttle. But the first thing I thought it's gonna be super easy, just fly there to Cusco and be just right there. But there's more steps than that. So this trip I decided to make a completely full guide for you, step by step, to go to Machu Picchu. Just follow along the way. Alright, step one, you have to fly from Lima to Cusco. So today I booked on a Sky Airline, so it's a local airline I guess, so I've never been on before. We'll see how it's go. Oh my god, the line is so long. It's 59 degrees here. Step one is complete. Now it's time to find a way to the hotel. The other way to save your money is just order Uber. It's legal and cheap, so it's around $6. Hello guys, just check in a hotel room. So I would recommend it to stay at least one night in Cusco because this is high altitude and the air is so thick. When I talk to you right now, it's so hard to breathe here. Yeah, and be prepared because it's winter here. So the temperature here is a little above 50 degrees. So be prepared, bring some, heavy jacket. And yeah, at least recommend it to stay at least a night to get used to with the temperature. Cusco, a city in the Peruvian Andes, was one capital of the Inca Empire and is now known for the archaeological remains and Spanish colonial architecture. And it became one of the most important centers of religious art creation and production in the continent. Hello, good morning. You guys ready for step two? So I booked a taxi from the hotel to Ollantaytambo. It's took probably 2 hours from Cusco to Ollantaytambo. So it's cost me 120 soles, so around $30 US. And make sure you book through the hotel front desk so to make sure you avoid those overcharge and it's safe. So another way around, the easiest way you can go is to book the train from Cusco to Agua Caliente. So you don't have to take the shuttle or bus or any taxi. but you have to book really early because it's always booked up. So we didn't make that because we booked kind of late. So if you have a chance that you can book earlier, maybe a couple months earlier, 3 or 4 months earlier, book it from here, Cusco to Agua Caliente, and that will be save you a lot of time. So yes, I made to Olacatambo's train station right over there. So our train is not leaving till 10:30. So we have a couple minutes to grab something to eat. Want food? Look like my friend wants some food. Yeah, he never gonna leave me. Penny. Another one? Ollantaytambo is a cute village halfway to Machu Picchu. This is absolutely a charming town. If you have a couple hours here, I would recommend visiting Sanctuary. It will blow your mind how massive this in-car village is. Hi guys, we just checked into our hotel room and heading to the bus to go to Machu Picchu. So we booked at 2 p.m. We arrived at 12. So we kind of check in and done everything already. So we need to find something a little quick to eat. But if somebody usually come here a little late and spend a night to get used to with the temperature and the altitude, and they go the next morning to see the sunrise. But we have so tiny schedule, so we need to, you know, go up right away. And the weather here is just beautiful. Shuttle, it's right in the middle of the city where you go over there. It's gonna be a fun ride for 20 minutes. And I'm in the back of the bus. I know it's gonna be a little climb up there, a little hiking, but it shouldn't be that bad. Well, I made it. Just need another 5-minute walk. And this is real applicant guy. He's gonna spit on me. Go get a picture. Thank you for watching the episode, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this completed full step to Machu Picchu. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell ring. And muchas gracias. Bye bye.